Go.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Mazda Knoxville. My name is Trent Rodgers, and we're here today to talk about the new 2012 SKYACTIV 3. Really, the driving force behind the SKYACTIV cars is the fuel economy, as it's been for a while now with the subcompact segment. But what makes the SKYACTIV unique is not only the potentially 30 miles per gallon around town and 40 on the highway, but really the performance that you get along with it. There are other 40 mile per gallon cars in the segment. Hybrids have done it for a little while now, and you might be asking yourself, why SKYACTIV? What makes SKYACTIV different? And that's really a great question. What's going to make the SKYACTIV different is a handful of things. Obviously, the 40 miles per gallon. But the 40 miles per gallon combined with the performance that is actually improved upon from its predecessor, picking up 15% in foot-pounds of torque and also 15% in fuel economy. The Sky technology is really the future of Mazda, and quite frankly, stands to be the future of the industry. When developing this technology, Mazda wasn't just thinking right now, they were thinking farther down the road. As EPA standards get tougher, they get harder to not only meet but to surpass. Mazda's going to be one step ahead of the game with the SKYACTIV drivetrain. But your performance, your fuel economy, combined with being more responsible on an environmental level, and then the accessibility of the cars is really unheard of. In the past, your hybrids have brought a premium, your diesels have always brought a premium, but anybody shopping the subcompact segment, they should be able to afford a Mazda SKYACTIV 3, especially starting at like $19,200 in an automatic. So really trying to make a car that's available to everyone. But the heart of the SKYACTIV, of course, is going to start with the motor. Building upon the previous 2-liter that, of course, had the variable valve timing, and really working on trying to improve that technology in conjunction with introducing the direct injection fuel system, as well as they've redesigned a lot of the rotating assembly to make the motor operate cooler and much more efficient, and to achieve a higher compression ratio. The compression ratio on this particular car is 12:1. That is more in line with something you might see out of an F1 car. Definitely going to be higher than most of the traditional gasoline motors on the market. In other parts of the world where they're running a higher octane fuel as a standard, they're seeing 13 and 14:1 compression ratios. So no special fuel required. This is actually designed to run on our 87 octane here in the States. So how do they do this? Well, it's a conglomeration of things, if you will. They're using this new high-pressure direct inject fuel system to atomize the fuel better, to burn it more efficiently, and to burn it cooler. Combined with the newly designed volcano top pistons, bringing down interior temperatures and getting that compression ratio, making the most out of your fuel, achieving the 15% low to mid-range torque, as well as a 15% increase in your fuel economy. So that's really kind of the secret behind the SKYG motor. But when deciding how to get all this newfound torque, newfound horsepower, and fuel economy to the ground, Mazda had to make it up with a transmission, of course. They've designed not only a manual, but an automatic with the Sky technology to complement this motor. The whole idea with both transmissions was, of course, to make them more efficient. So they're lighter, they're smaller, less friction. The automatic's going to achieve the fuel economy that's more typical with the manual, while giving you unsurpassed shifting in the manual mode. Still a very sporty feel. The manual transmission has been improved with triple cone synchronizers in first and second, dual cone synchronizers in third and fourth. So you're going to maintain that sporty feel. You're going to pick up another 4% in fuel economy just in the transmission. And in both cars, you're going to find a shifting feel that's more traditionally found in a Miata. So again, sports sedan looks, sports sedan feel, with the economy of a hybrid or a diesel. So I hope that covers it all, and if you'd like to schedule a test drive, come on down and see us. Thank you so much.